Hey everybody. Alrighty, so welcome to the channel. If you're new, today I'm going to be playing Slime Rancher. I already went ahead and started a new save file. I went ahead and just did the introduction stuff. If you've never played Slime Rancher, I'll walk you through the basics. These are what's called largos. So you have these slimes produce plorts, and basically your basic slime, is like you have these small slimes, and when you feed like that, when you feed another slime a different plort, they become what's called a largo. Now these phosphor slimes, they'll be fine. Go away in the sunlight. This was just basically introducing the guy who used to own this ranch. But essentially, I just tried to, get everything, all the basics out of the way. This is not my first time playing, Slime Rancher. I did not finish, the other save I had, because it got deleted, which I'm mad about. It's part of the reason why I didn't play, Slime Rancher for a long time, after my save file got deleted, somehow. It was really frustrating. But, I mean, what can you do? Computers malfunction and stuff like that. So, I've went ahead and, like, purchased a farm. About to purchase, like, an auto feeder. Pork collector. That way I have a full, that one's fully ready to be just autonomous. All I gotta do is keep it filled. I do want to go ahead and put the air net on the top of that if I get the chance. And each slime has like their favorite food. Like tabbies, stony hens, rock slimes like heartbeats, phosphor slimes like key berries. There's a bunch of different stuff. You can buy upgrades and stuff like that. I've already bought the first upgrade, which was jetpack, which is kind of crappy, but it works for now. One of the main things I want to do is get a silo, because that makes it easy for storage. I mean, I don't think anything despawns necessarily. But the good thing about like this is, if you ever played Stardew Valley, you have a time limit. Basically, you have to be in bed before a certain time, which is bonkers to me. And I forgot about, so these big old largos right down here that just want food, anything and everything, and you can feed them, especially like the pink one. Feed them whenever you want. But they explode and give you what's called a slime key, which basically just there's gates around the map. We don't want you. We don't want you. We don't want you. We don't want you. Come here. We don't want you. These are what's called the tar. And the tar are bad. It's what happens when, like, let's say, see, this is a rock and pink slime. If it ate like a tabby plort, it becomes a, what's called a tar. Which essentially is like a bad, basically, like that. They're basically the enemies of this area. So, they will eat you. I think daylight causes the slimes to suicide into the... I usually just will feed them with whatever's around if... Because it takes like, I think, 100 of something to bust them. They explode. Essentially. They basically explode, and it's not always good. And then there's a keyberry. What's that? Ah, stony hands. That's what Tabby's like. Tabby's like stony hands. Okay, another rock slide. Oh wait. Oh, hello. Ah, I heard the gold slime sound. I had a great big tree like this here along the edge of my property back on Earth. It had been there before anyone could remember it. It survived all kinds of change around it, and then one day I began to notice it was dying. Wasn't anything unnatural, was just its time, I suppose. And then I realized that if I didn't do something, I'd end up like that tree. I'd spend my whole life in the same place. I wasn't going to let that happen, so I bought a ticket to the far, far range the very next day. There's a little bit glitch in there. Hello. Oh no, it's just the H. Let me see if I can go grab some more. Cause I think there's a slime. Yep, right there. And also, these Gordos, if you feed them their favorite thing, I think it cuts it in like half. Forgive my allergies. They suck. But if I remember correctly, the phosphor slimes like keyberries, so I'm not too worried about... Not too worried about that. Okay, where's these chickadees? Yeah. I wanted the, stony hen chickadees. That's what you are. No? Are there no stony hen chickadees? You're just a normal... What are you guys? Normal? Normal. Essentially, that's what I can do is, I'm not worried about the Q berries. And tar wiped everybody out. Also, if you fall in the drink, you lose all your stuff. So, don't. Now if I can just find a roostero. I could build a coop. Ooh, come here. I need you. I don't need you. if I find a rooster row, a new upgrade. Oh, I can increase the, to make that better. Do we have any plorts? Nope. Okay. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get a coop for these stony hens, because I know that's what the tabby's like. Let's see if I can afford a coop. I can indeed. Now I just need to find a rooster to start the process. Okay, so these. And I will go off and venture to find a rooster. I'll grab some pink plorts just in case I find a gold slime. Let's gather up some Alright, now we're gonna go find a rooster. Chicken. Jimmy's fine. You need you. Victor Humphreys. What does Mr. Victor Humphreys want? We will have to find out. Nope, that's a normal chickadee. Go ahead and give these hens to the tabby. I'm gonna have to venture all the way over here to find me a rooster. Probably. It requires a slime key. Bummer, man. So that means you're stuck. Treasure pod. Gotta get the labs though, or the research stuff for that. Yeah, maybe tomorrow before. Any roosters want to spawn? Ooh, I do need to go get that food though. Still passing through. Hen can go over. Try and get more. Frustrates me with the energy depletion. It's very frustrating, but oh, there we go. That should help. I'm gonna try and at least get that slime key by the end of the video. It'd be nice. So we'll see where we're at with it. Go ahead and there it is. Oh, there you go. Boom ornaments. Okay. Well, I guess maybe it's only 50? I'm not entirely sure. Huh. Well, I got the slime key. So I guess in the next episode we will we'll use that slime key and we'll see where it goes. I know where it goes, but you guys will see where it goes. Yep. Ancient tavern plorts. Never mind, scratch that. Just for now, feed you all. Get that the auto feeder and port collector over here, because things get bad over here. Let's see, these ones aren't hurting me like the rock tabbies. No, I'm full, so. And I believe on the back of here, well, there used to be. Well, for now, we're gonna go one there, and get back over here, and we're gonna make the port collector, and so close to the auto feeder. Yeah, these should give me enough to get the auto feeder. Oh yeah, we're good. Auto feeder. And then my next purchase will be the net for that one, which is 425. And I mean, you've got all these ones that these sections and stuff that you can unlock. I mean, it costs, look at that, 10,000. So it's definitely is a very vast game. So it should be exciting to dry out. A phosphor slime and 10 rock slimes. Whoa. Phosphor slime. Oh. Go ahead and get the phosphorus. You need 4. Let's see if we can go ahead and get the 4. What do you know? There's your phosphorus. And then rock. Yeah, it's gonna be tough. Wait, maybe not. There's 3 right there. I'll finish this quest and then I'll probably end the video here. Oh, and there's a rooster. That's what I needed. So now these rock slimes are gonna take a while. It literally, I mean, I know I've got 24 game hours to do it. But probably should just. Oh, there's one. Probably just go to bed and see if it'll, I guess, you know. Yeah, if I get rid of slimes, it should cause more of the rock ones to spawn, right? At least that's the theory. Theory behind it. Maybe not. Maybe I just hide these ports here. I mean, there's. Really? Oh, there's the chicken egg. In reality, I mean, it's nighttime, so. Oh, well, man. It is spawn at night. So maybe there's hope for us yet. You got 10 rock slimes. Just have to wait till morning to get the others. Cause yeah, they're not spawning. They gotta get pink ones. So grab these plorts. Such a weird name. Plorts. We will go ahead and human with them. the phosphor slimes. Oh, I'm an idiot. Forgot that I needed those for the, Let me just throw them on the edge. I've just been throwing them over the edge. All these poor stuff. It's about to become. Oh. Okay, linear 4. Linear 4. Do not get rid of them. I need 3 more rock slimes. So let's see. Here's 1. There's 2. Come on. Come on. Come on. Maybe in the other. Give me another rock slime. Phosphor. No rock. Okay. Another stone thing though. Which is good. Staying out all night to get this last rock slime. Let me ask you, are you ever dedicated to anything? I'm like, yeah. Fairly dedicated to accomplishing my goals, such as staying up late at night and catching rock slimes. Jeez. Alright, so put in the 4. Gives us a bunch of throw those in there. Yeah. Let's put this in. The keep chickens. 3 in with the rooster out. I'll throw new rock slimes in with. I've probably been recording for a while, so I think I'm gonna call it here. Remember, if you guys, like Slime Rancher or want to see another game or want to see more of this, make sure to comment. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Make sure to like the video, share with all your friends, and I will see you guys next time. Adios.